Hi there, my name's Nick Barker. I'm the Further and Higher Education Manager for Clevertouch. Going to sort of take you through some of the new features of the new Impact Lux screen that's behind me. One of those things is multi-window mode. So this is built on an Android 13 platform. So as you can see here, scroll up from the bottom of the screen, you can see all your applications that are installed onto the screen. You can also group apps into folders as well. As you can see that I've done here, I've got kind of a Clevertouch folder with kind of the unique software that Clevertouch does. So CleverLive, our digital signage platform, CleverShare, which is our bring your own device wireless sharing platform, Links Whiteboard, which is our interactive lesson preparation and planning software. We've got the native whiteboard in there as well, and we've got our own app store called Clever Store as well. So I've got these all different folders. What you can also do with those is open these up in your apps as you would do normally. Let's go into YouTube here. And what I can do is I can move this box around to whichever sort of side of the screen I want to if I want. Or if I group into the top left or top right hand corner, I can group an app into the screen like so. And then I can open up another app. Let's open the Teams app, for example. And I can then park that into the top right hand corner as well. I can have 4 apps open simultaneously, all in a grid. I can move those around, and then if I move those around, I can move those out the way like that and just get rid of them. Or if I move them to the top of the screen, I can make it go full screen. A swipe from the top of the screen would bring that down to a mini size again, and then I can also resize this window again if I want to have more apps open next to each other and to support my learning as well. So really intuitive, really good to use in terms of different applications on the screen. It means you don't have to keep kind of coming back and coming to a home screen to navigate around. You can coordinate this exactly how you want, all the apps that you want, and move them around accordingly. Thanks so much for watching.